something good. I think we're onto something good. Don't let it get away. This could be everything. You know I gotta say, I think we're onto something.
So here we are at the Tampa RV Show, and I'm with Jerry. Jerry's got some really cool stuff if you RV. So Jerry, tell me about your product.
Our product is Duckade. We're new to the RV industry. It's a plant-based thiamol, which is a natural disinfectant and deodorizer for your RV or cars or even your yachts.
Does it work if I have had broccoli the night before for deodorizing?
Yes, absolutely. It's safe for pets and children.
Well, we travel with pets and children, so that's a good thing. So why do I need it in an RV? Tell me why.
Well, you want to have
mold and mildew.
Absolutely. Well, that's the main thing. It's approved by the EPA, and that's exactly what it's made to do. Is stop mold spores, viruses, funguses, anything that should not be in your air ducts that you're breathing, pathogens that should be. You want clean, fresh air to be breathing for your family and your pets when you're traveling.
So I add it to my ductwork in my trailer. I spray it on my evap coil on my air conditioner.
No, not even that. You just take out the air filter and you just it's a fogger, so it just sprays right into the intake. 10 to 12 seconds in each intake. That's it.
Wow, that's
Every
pretty simple.
4 or 5 months, it's a simple product. Same way in the car.
So how do I get the product? Because the show's over. You know, Jerry's getting ready to pack up and leave. So what's the email address? What's the website?
The website is duckade.com. The video's there, how it works, everything you know about our product.
Okay, so spell that.
And it's spelled DUCTAID.com, duckade.com.
That's pretty awesome. Thank you for your time.
Well, thank
I really
you.
appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
We'll get some and put it in our trailer and tell you how it works. All right, YouTube, remember that life is an adventure, and adventure lies at every turn. Come join us.
Somewhere between the edge of being alive and feeling dead.